Hey guys, welcome to this our setting guide, and here I'll detail how to enable voice recording in iPhone iOS 18. So the new iOS 18 comes with a lot of few features that you want to try out, and one of the few features is the call recording feature. So if you already upgraded to your iPhone to this version, you should have access to the recording feature, which allow you to record calls while you have an outgoing calls or while you have an incoming call. So here basically I am going to walk you through how to record or how you can enable or turn on voice recording in iPhone iOS 18. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, firstly, let's say you put a call through to any contact on your iPhone, and here I have my second device. Want the person pick up the call just like this, either on iPhone or other device. Then you're gonna have your iPhone screen look like this. On the iPhone screen, it's gonna see a call recording button at the top left. So go ahead and click on that. Once you tap that, your iPhone will send a notification to the second device that this call is about to be recorded. Then you can see this call will be recorded. Then once the one is sent, you're gonna see that this call will start recording all your voice conversation. Also, it also records the voice or call with transcription, so you're gonna have access to this transcribed audio call. And once you're done recording the call, you can just go ahead, click on this button, or wait until the call ends. So either you click on this button or you click on the end button, the call recorded will be saved to Notes app on your iPhone. Then once you click on that, you can still continue with the active call. You see that? Then you can just go ahead, click on the end button to terminate the call. Once terminate the call, this is going to end the call on both devices. Now, to have access to the recorded calls on your iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Notes app. So search for Notes. Once you open the Notes app, just come back to call recording, and here you should have access to your call recorded on your iPhone iOS 18. So click on that. You can just go ahead and then play it. So that's it. Now the thing is this, you can share the audio, save audio to files, or delete. Now, if this call recording feature is not enabled on your iPhone while you're making the call, it could mean that the call recording feature is turned off. So all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, you want to scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to the apps, and then click on it. Now, once selected apps, scroll on to get to phone app. So click on phone app, and then scroll down the page. Locate call recording, click on it, and then turn on call recording. If call recording is turned off here, turn on call recording so that when you put a call through, the call recording feature will be paused and then you'll be able to enable it. So that is basically how to enable call recording in iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.